CTRLAX is becoming increasingly popular, and feedback indicates that it is a superb option for do-it-yourself projects. The knife blade vibrates at a rate of up to 40,000 times per second, enhancing cutting speed and efficiency. It has the capability to cut through materials such as MDF, acrylic, leather, and carbon fiber. For those with extensive tasks, there's no need to worry, as the kit includes 5 different blade types in the standard set and an additional 40 classic blades. With over $300,000 raised on Kickstarter, this knife has garnered global recognition, reaching users from the USA to South Korea. You can secure the basic kit on Kickstarter for $49. Introducing the WOLFCRAFT handheld keyhole saw, specifically designed for precision work in recesses and small, irregularly shaped holes with its 5 mm diameter. This makes it particularly suitable for tasks such as installing sockets and switches. Its distinctive tip allows you to effortlessly screw it into drywall, functioning like a self-tapping screw. The 2-piece handle is ergonomically designed for comfort, ensuring excellent control during use. With an overall length of 275 mm and a working length of 175 mm, this tool is impressively versatile, all for just $6. Discover the MAKITA XSA01, a versatile tool priced at $194, battery not included. Featuring 4 speeds and 5 nozzles, this compact 18 cm powerhouse excels in tight spaces, tackling dust and debris with an impressive air velocity of 719 km per h. With a runtime of 55 minutes using the 18V LXT6A battery, it stands out as an efficient solution for your workspace challenges. Don't miss out on this essential tool for a clean and organized environment, offering the perfect balance of power and convenience. This lawn spreader is described as a revolutionary tool in the realm of lawn care, available for a mere $70. It simplifies the handling of peat moss, compost, soil, and mulch, providing ease and efficiency. With a width of 61 centimeters and a generous 76 L capacity, it is well suited for comfortable work in expansive areas. The tool is praised for its accuracy and convenience, and buyers can take advantage of valuable lawn care tips shared by the seller on the spreader's dedicated page. In 2021, STIHL achieved remarkable revenues exceeding $5.4 billion, a testament to its success. Notably, this accomplishment is unsurprising, given that even their basic steel sharpening tool is priced at $25. However, the cost is justified by the tool's versatility, featuring 3 distinct blades suitable for sharpening scissors, pruning shears, axes, knives, and more. The inclusion of tungsten carbide and diamond-sharpened blades enhances durability, and the brightly colored polymer handle ensures easy identification within your toolbox or bag. Experts foresee an impressive annual installation of solar panels totaling 1 terawatt by the decade's end. To facilitate this substantial demand, the market introduces the SHUTTLE lifting system, specifically designed for handling solar panels. This efficient system can lift 2 panels simultaneously in a mere 10 seconds, and its operation is remarkably straightforward, requiring only a drill. Capable of handling a maximum load of 60 kilograms, the system reaches a working height of 11.2 meters and is available at a price of $6,300. By simply pressing a button, every renovation transforms into a laser display. Jokes aside, this light serves as a practical replacement for a bubble level thanks to its circular guides. Even beginners can effortlessly drill precise, straight holes into walls or workpieces. Moreover, it adapts to any surface curvature. Offering the choice between red or green circles, the Bullseye Bore Core is ideal for the 100 million people who drill daily. If your friends are among them, it's a fantastic gift idea, priced at $130. Moving on to strapping tools essential for securing objects with straps, the CYKLOP CMT 250 uses vibration for welding the straps and is battery operated, eliminating the need for cables. With a full charge, it can handle 400 strapping cycles. It's a great choice for one-handed operation with automatic tension adjustments and a weight of less than 4 kilograms, including the battery. The cost for this machine is $2,350. There's a similar option, the HELIOS H45L, priced at $1,842, but it offers 300 cycles instead of 400. AMERISTEP offers a practical solution, especially beneficial for hunters, an innovative self-tapping step designed to effortlessly screw into a tree trunk, boasting a robust weight capacity of 340 kilograms. One of its key features is the ease of installation. No tools are necessary as it can be conveniently set up by hand. This straightforward yet ingenious product provides hunters with a hassle-free solution at an affordable price point of just $4. Beyond this, AMERISTEP also extends its offerings to include ground blinds, umbrellas, and a variety of other hunting accessories, ensuring that hunters have access to a comprehensive range of equipment to enhance their outdoor experience. The EVEOOK system finds application among cleaners, solar panel and satellite dish installers, roofers, and various professionals. It's installed in 15 minutes without nails or screws, supporting up to 8 people, each weighing up to 141 kilograms. Successfully tested by an ISO 17025 accredited independent laboratory, it assures 100% full protection. According to its creators, the system's convenience enhances productivity by about 30%, providing numerous attachment points, a valuable option for tackling complex roofs with multiple slopes. Comment below to share your thoughts on the video and subscribe for future updates.